Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to fold your box. So it's pretty easy. Just kind of like, first make it a box shape. And then I actually like to start with the top of the box. I know that some people like to start with the bottom of the box, but see everywhere where these lines, you just kind of fold it. Fold and see there's a line right here. Also, you just fold it and just kind of tuck it in. So there's that. So now I feel like it's easier to do that part, so that way you can kind of stand your box down a little bit when it's there. And you can kind of see how to fold this top part. And see how there's little flaps right there. So you're going to start by folding the sides with the flaps down inside of there. See, just like that. Then you're going to fold these in and you're going to just pop down in to the box. See how that's doing that just like that? And you do the same thing with the other side. And your box is together. Now, once we have our box together, we're going to decorate our box. We're going to make our box into a building. So, you're just going to take your marker. I'm going to start with a black marker. You can start however you want. If you want your windows to be a different color than black, that's fine. And I'm going to just go ahead and draw a door and then some windows, just so it looks like it's like an office building or something. And you can decorate just the front, or you can decorate all the way around. I'm gonna add, I think, 9 windows here on this side. I'm just gonna give my windows, they don't have to be colored in perfectly. And give them the appearance of a window. If you want to color them in more solidly, you are absolutely welcome to. You do your building however you want to. I'm going to do my building like that. And then I'm actually going to add some flowers on the front of my building. I'm going to do kind of like little flower pots on the side of my building. It kind of look like 2 little flower pots on your side of your building. Now, if you want to, you can draw windows on all the other sides of your building as well. So here, like, you can even do them differently if you'd like. Like this one, I'm gonna draw three long windows on this side. And you can kind of straighten them out as you go. Just remember, they don't have to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to kind of loosely color them in. And if you want to, you can draw your outline in pencil before you color anything in. So I've got my 3 windows on this side. I'm going to do the same thing on my other side. Again, 3 long windows. Now remember, you can decorate your building however you want. I'm loosely color in my windows. Kind of doing this. It's a little harder in front of the camera because I'm kind of leaning over it. So when you're doing it, you won't have that problem. See that? There's the front of my building, like that. And I have the back side of my building. I'm gonna add more square windows on the back side. Let's see, as I do that, and you can decide how many you want, how big you want them. I'm gonna add 5 rows here, or maybe 4 rows. 4 rows actually works out perfect. And again, I'm just gonna loosely color them in. You can color them in however you want. And again, you don't have to use black for this part. You can use whatever color markers you would like to use. Just make it look like a building. Fantastic, we have our building. So we've got our front side, our long window side, our back side, our other long window side, and there's that. And now we have our building. Now this building, on top of this building, we are going to put our sculpture. So I want to show you. First thing I want you to do is put your name on top of your building. These are going to be displayed at open house, and you want to be able to find your building pretty easily. And we also don't want anything to get lost. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name, my first name, and my last initial. Then you're just going to put your building to the side actually until you've done your sculpture.